all love to talk about art. But how much time do we spend with art? Any idea? Generally speaking, we find almost everyone talking about art and they say, I love to do art. But there is a big difference between talking something and doing that in true sense. In art, what we do and how much we do, that really matters. Let us spend 2 minutes quality time with art, which requires creative thinking, good skill and observation. I am sure we all can do it and you will love to see it.
For art practice, we need to use variety of tools. Our basic tool is pencil. We must know writing pencil and drawing pencil are not same. Let us see how we sharpen drawing pencils and why. Sharpener is not to be used for this purpose. We do not need pointed tip for drawing pencils. And the graphite of drawing pencil is very soft. So, if we use sharpener, it will keep breaking while you work. We will use paper cutter and shape it as per requirement for our drawing. Our first step is how to handle basic tool for drawing. Today's task is nature drawing and according to that I need 2-3 pencils. Before I start, I am making them ready so that while working I can change my pencil easily if required, not taking any break in between. It helps to keep the workflow. I am doing the most simple artwork, drawing a tree, finishing with light shading and a natural background suggestion from my imagination. My previous observation is helping me to draw this inside my studio without any reference. That is the true method to learn this kind of work. I have done thousands of outdoor practice. That is my creative support. There is a key point to know. Never practice drawing using a reference photograph from smartphone or PC. That will never help to improve our skill. When I do pencil shading work, I need to decide the direction of light. According to that, I continue shading and show the shadow on the ground in a realistic way.
continue titled as Spend 2 Minutes with Art. Each time, learning a small but interesting aspects about art practice. I am sure this will give us confidence to say without any doubt, yes, I love to do art.